Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to move layers in Alight Motion. So first, open your Alight Motion app as you can see on your screen. Now to move layers, we just need to create three layers right here. So to do that, click on the plus icon at the bottom right. And for this example, just want to add some circles. So the first layer here is a green circle. Now we need to create a second layer, another circle here, which is the purple circle. Now the last one, the third layer, create another circle and light blue circle. Now if you want to move layers in Alight Motion, just tap on the three lines right here at the right side of that layer. So you'll find three lines. So tap and hold on that one. And for example, here on circle 1, you can move it up and down. And then if you move it at the top of the circle 3, as you can see, so the green circle, which is the circle 1, now it's at the top of the layers. So that's how you basically move layers. So just tap on the three lines right there at the right side of your layer and just move it here, tap and hold, and we're gonna move it here at the top, and as you can see, the purple circle is now on top of the layers. So that's how you basically move layers in Alight Motion. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.